Good morning, everybody. It's Denise here. I just wanted to get on here. We're gonna do a little bit of garden stuff. I didn't post anything for today from anything else, so I thought I'll take you along. I'm planting more beans and peas, but I'm doing it on the side of the trailer. And then I want to plant some of my cool crops. And yeah, so I thought I'd take you along. And it's the day after my birthday, so let's do this. I'm gonna put you on time lapse because I gotta clean up the areas more, and then we'll start planting. Okay, so we did the planting. I'm going to turn you around so you can see. One row of peas on this side of the trellis, small trellis. And then 2 rows of those beans, or the broccoli. And then the cauliflower, celery, beets, green onions. Red onions I did 2 rows. And then in here I just freely threw the seeds for the cantaloupe and watermelon. If they come up, great. If not, but that's what I'm doing. Now I gotta go see if the water's on and water it. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having an awesome day, and let your creativity shine.